My friend said that there's a magical Fruit Loop box. Is that true? You should ask me that question. Daddy, wait! There is no such thing. What's this? Hello? Hi, people. We're looking for the magical Fruit Loop box. Yes, we are. Wow, my nose is pink. Back away from the camera. Ow. Ow. Okay. This is why I'm recording this. We are wanted criminals. Well, that didn't last long. Okay, so we are wanted criminals. Now this camera might be cut off any second now because there's this really fat monkey dude, whatever his name is. He's fat, okay? And he's after us. That's why we need the magical Fruit Loop box. Wake up! Yeah. Daddy, I want to play the guitar. Okay. Awkward. Let's just go. Come on. Ah! Ah! Ow! Ow! Okay, rebound. That was bad. Let's go. All the way over here. Do 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 do. Look, it's a magical Fruit Loop box. Well, this movie's gonna end soon. Or not. You know that always happens. You're getting too close to the camera. Get over here. Okay, that did not go very well. Okay, come on, help me with this magical Fruit Loop box. Well, darn, help me. Yeah, okay. Here is the magical Fruit Loop box. And broadcasting our weather today will be me. My name is Newt. And it's not spelled like the Newt. It is spelled like K-N-U-T. I'm originally from Germany because I'm a polar bear. Related to a sheep or whatever you call it. But you are very dirty, that's for sure. I came from McDonald's. I'm a McDonald's Happy Meal pack. Yeah. Stop talking to them. Sorry. Let's just get this big box. Oh, this is heavier than I thought. Hey! Ah! Daddy! What is this? I have to turn it off. Ah! 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 Hey, look, Fruit Loops. Ah! 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 This show is canceled. Ha 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 ha. Well, that didn't go so far. You know, Monkey Dude, you're just sitting on the thing. Dude, get off of my daddy's camera! Get off of it! Oh, wow. And for a second there, I thought she just hit me. Oh my gosh, I'm on TV. I'm so on TV. Dude, get away from the camera. You're making it freeze. Gosh, he's right. I am fat. I'm the star. Yeah. I'm the princess. Fruit Loops. Sniff. Sniff. You look pale, Dad. Dad? Dad? Fine, I like the Fruit Loops myself. Poison. Dead. And dead. Wow.